Welcome. If you want to change wake word of your Amazon Echo Studio speaker, at first you have to select devices in your Amazon Alexa application, select your speaker and click on the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and find wake word. When you click on it once, you can change it between Alexa, Amazon, computer or Echo.
I pronounce the computer, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
Here we have notification, we have to click OK. And right now we can go back and we can try if it works. Echo. As you can see, it's working. If you find this video helpful,
This might answer your question. It is a circus performer and fictional serial killer.
remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.